Hello, hi guys. So this is an unexpected live. So fine. Uh, the topic is I'm going to start a CA final advanced auditing and professional ethics classes from 31st May onwards. Before I discuss about the upcoming class, I would like to clarify this final auditing classes are for the first time industry oriented auditing final classes. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to take the classes in completely in industry oriented, and of course today our examination pattern is also in line with industry. What exactly requires an industry from a chartered accountant, the sort of knowledge the industry requires from a chartered accountant, especially in the field of auditing. In the same orientation, I'm going to take up the classes. Why? What is exactly industry oriented classes? If you look at the statistical data, especially, you need not even go for official statistical data. You can randomly check it out based on your friends and your known CS circle. Out of 100, 95% of the students, I can say confidently, more than 90% of the students, whoever is pursuing articleship, they are not getting complete exposure on all auditing areas. Suppose if at all a particular student is working in a small and medium sized entity, he is not getting the exposure towards internal audit. And if a person who joins in Big Four, and if at all he joins an internal audit division in Big Four, he is not getting any exposure towards tax audit, GST audit, or he is not getting exposure towards other areas, especially stat audit. So whatever whatever the category of article assistant wherever he is working you take, definitely there is some gap where he is getting, definitely some gap is there. But luckily CA final auditing includes the concepts of income tax in the name of audit under fiscal laws, that is direct tax audit, and audit under indirect tax laws. Of course, now audit under indirect tax laws has been temporarily suspended. We don't know for November attempt will it be applicable or not. Anyhow, I will clarify when the notification comes. So we are going to discuss comprehensively the theory, that is whatever we are going to discuss from the book, as well as we are also going to discuss from the industry the practices that are being followed in the industry. Example, suppose if you ask me what is SCA 230 audit documentation, I won't just explain what is documentation, meaning, advantages, not just theoretically. I will show you Big Four type of documentation, how in real life we do documentation, especially whenever we are doing stat audits. How we do soft copy documentation, how we do hard copy documentation. I'm gathering the data, again, the latest data. Suppose you heard a concept of sampling. So how we do sampling? I am bringing an airlines company statistical data about their number of routes, number of journeys, number of passengers, passenger behavior analysis, data analytics. Simply, I'm going to bring the data and incorporating in audit. Especially like, yeah, when we are looking, when we are reading the subject, I'm going to discuss them when we are discussing SF530. Suppose if you ask me audit report, my audit report classes are very famous. I am going to show you 7 different company audit reports, out of which three audit reports are belonging to Europe and US. So I'm going to show you that. And from India, I'm going to take audit reports of banking sector, insurance sector, NBFC, and a listed company. A listed company. These are the 4 audit reports which I'm going to take from Indian companies. Like, if in simple terms, if I have to explain, my class will not only be like book oriented, it will be completely practical. See, again, don't confuse by, what is practical oriented. Practical, many faculties or many teachers, they have a wrong notion. Practical oriented means giving example. No, giving example is not a practical way of teaching. Just giving example, giving the right example, giving a realistic example is practical oriented teaching. So from 31st May, my CA final auditing classes are going to start. You can refer about me to your friends and juniors or seniors, whoever is writing in November 2021 exams. By the way, all the classes will be in completely English. By the way, I would also like to give you certain few details, additional details of my class. The batch will start on 31st May. The maximum cutoff date is 20th August. But well before 10 days, well before that, we will be finishing. But uh, considering all the pandemic uncertainties, all that, I kept a cutoff date of 20th August. And the course duration will be minimum 160 hours it will take, maximum 180 hours. And a comprehensive material I'm providing, which will be around 700 pages. In fact, I'm not sure exactly 700, it will come another 100 pages additionally also, because I'm also incorporating latest various reporting requirements also. So it will be maximum 800 pages. And I'm giving you the material in two modules. First module will be containing 60 to 70% of the syllabus, and second module will be containing 30 to 40% of the syllabus. And the fees which I'm charging for online live classes is 7,500. The mode of classes, is it through Zoom or Microsoft Teams? That mode is not yet decided. We are actually there is a software called Valence, so we may use that software. But don't worry, don't worry. If you join, we will guide you completely what exactly the process is about. So that's all about my auditing classes. One more thing I would like to, I would like to once again highlight, these classes are something not you get anywhere else. If you want, you can ask my previous students what kind of comprehensive examples I take for the subject of auditing. So you will get an idea, and you will understand truly the learning pattern for auditing. And one more thing I would like to assure you, if you really attend all the classes consistently, it may be a live class or maybe you would have purchased recordings of mine, but I'm telling you, the amount of clarity and the amount of command that you are going to get on the subject of auditing will be tremendous. Tremendous command you get. People say auditing is a theory subject, but it's actually not. It's most practical subject. Why? Because each and every line, you bring me any standard, you just bring me, we have 35 auditing standards, you bring me any standard, you show me any line in that standard, I will show you a realistic example how that line is applied in reality. So I'm challenging you. So imagine such a practical subject, we also will discuss in most practical and detailed way. So why wait? Why you have to wait? Join as soon as possible if at all you need for November attempt auditing classes if you're looking for. And if at all you want my any demo classes, just a few minutes back, I have uploaded my audit report classes of 3 parts. Actually, audit reporting have 10 to 11 parts, but 3 parts I've uploaded. You see how first theory I discuss in a detailed way, then I will open a practical example. Then again, I connect that practical example with the theory, realistic practical example with the theory. You will understand based on those 3 classes how realistically we are going to discuss the subject of auditing. So those 3 videos you can watch. Further, I even make so many videos on valuation methods by ICI, test series related things, various mentorship related videos also I'm doing. So you can also watch the same channel. So I hope whoever is watching this will share about these classes to your friends. And thank you. Have a nice time. And always love you all for supporting me till date. Thank you.